So here's our little problem. One of these springs way in there needs replaced so we can get the heck out of here. These are the little bastards that we've been waiting for like 2 days. Unbelievable. It's time to take her out on the road for the first time with the new exhaust. My wife's gonna kill me. She's gonna, I mean, thank God that it kind of settles down quickly. My wife's gonna kill me. She's not gonna be okay with that. So we're gonna have to start it up at home with the valves closed. I mean, she's not gonna go for that. Holy crap. Damn, son. Are you guys ready? All right, so we're all paid up. We're ready to go. First startup. Yeah, the tires are not at operating temperature, but whatever. We're gonna have to do our best here. 38 degrees outside. Oh, the downshift. Oh, we have to get gas right away. All right, we're all gassed up. So we got frost warning. The tires do not grip at all. And I think I have a lot more power. Holy crap. And the valves are open now. It's actually not that bad on the highway. I thought it was going to be a lot dronier than this. I feel like I'm gonna get pulled over any second. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go say hi to my buddy Chad. Some of you guys might remember he's the one who bought the brand new 488. And we're gonna show him what a Ferrari is supposed to sound like. The car has so much power. What do they do to this tune? I just wanted the check engine light. God in heaven, what is going on here? The sound and noises. I don't know what to say, man. I don't know what to say. All right, I don't even know if they're here.
Our neighbors will get pissed.
Yeah, I hear you.
That's so sick.
All right, Chad. This is what a Ferrari should sound.
Oh, 100%.
I know, it's nasty.
There's nothing that sounds like a V12.
No, it's not. And now, when the valves are closed, the car sounds just like it did stock. It's unbelievable. Which is a good thing, because having it straight pipe constantly wouldn't work. I mean, I'm starting to get a headache.
Yeah.
I mean,
I would never turn the radio on.
no.
Like, I would just say it doesn't work. Oh, man. Good for you, brother.
I had to take you for a ride.
I had to go for a ride.
So what we need now is our first little underpass, and lucky us, it's right here. This is going to be awesome. Yeah, you go ahead of me there. Oh, come on. And that was just a little underpass. Just wait till we get to the tunnels. Oh my God, I cannot believe that I have a car that sounds like this. Uh-oh, what do we see here? Oh my God, you don't even have to drive fast. Oh. Can you guys hear that? Of course you can. That is nuts. Frequency intelligent, what have you guys done to my car? Velos Designwerks, what have you guys done to the tune? It's like super fast. I'm going 40 miles an hour. What? Of course there's a bunch of traffic here, but whatever. Alright, when we go through here, I'm just going to try to keep my mouth shut so you guys can just hear the sound.
That sounds insane. Mike's the only guy I know that has a Ferrari as a winter beat. And your car is covered in shit.
I know. Got a bunch of salt on the road too. Look at this. Well, you can't see it here, but over here, there's salt all over. Stupid PA, man. It rains a little bit and 35 degrees and they just cover the road with salt. Horrible. Alright, so we got Brian up on the bridge. We got the classic flybys happening right now. In the F12.
So I'm standing out here in the 30-degree rain to make this video just for you guys. I hope you enjoy.
Poor Brian, he's still up on the bridge. It's raining. I love that guy. I'm gonna go buy him lunch. Make sure you go follow him. He's a good sport. He's always in my videos. He's working real hard on building his YouTube channel. So make sure you go follow him if you haven't already. Alright, so we had some lunch. Now, I don't really mind dirt and stuff because this stuff comes off real quick, but look at my new pipes. Part of this is salt. I have no plans of driving this car in the salt because that can really do some damage. So now, I'm just going to clean the car up, get her in the garage, and call it a day. It's been absolutely amazing. Alright, so there we have her. She is back home. I'm one happy, bald, sweet camper. That is for sure. This day was amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for spending the day with me. Now, weather is kind of crappy, so I couldn't really do all the stuff that I wanted to do, but we did get a lot of sound, and that was kind of the purpose for today's video. I don't really know what to say, like how to express how amazing it is to drive this car now. I think I'm going to have to do a proper, dedicated POV drive video of this car now that we have the exhaust and get a proper mic and everything, so somehow you can experience it with me from the driver's position in the F12.
That sounds amazing. I was here.
All right, peace out.